You want more revenue, so there are two ways to get there. Hire more salespeople or give the team you already have an AI layer that does the heavy lifting. Most companies default to headcount, another rep, another salary, another laptop. But here's the trap. Hiring scales your cost in a straight line, and a brand new rep still spends most of the week on research and data entry instead of selling. There's a smarter way to grow, and it doesn't mean firing anyone. Let's be fair. Good salespeople are essential. Nobody closes a complex deal or builds real trust like a great rep. But scaling by headcount alone has a math problem. Every hire is a fixed cost that shows up whether or not they hit quota. And most of a rep's week isn't selling. It's digging for contact info, researching companies, updating the CRM, and chasing follow-ups. So when you add people without fixing the workflow, you don't just multiply revenue. You multiply the busy work right alongside it. Now flip it. Instead of adding a body, you add an AI layer on top of the team you already have. It finds and enriches leads automatically, scores them by buyer intent, and routes the hottest ones straight to a rep. No manual digging. It drafts personalized outreach at scale and keeps the CRM updated on its own. We built exactly this kind of AI revenue engine for a sales team. It enriched profiles, pulled company data, scored prospects, and auto-routed the qualified ones. The result? An 80% plus drop in manual prospect research. Same headcount, far more selling. Here's the stack that makes it work. CRMCoPilot finds and verifies your ideal buyers, so no one wastes time on bad data. AI enriches and scores each prospect by buyer intent, ranking who's actually worth the call. OutreachCoPilot personalizes messaging at scale, signal-based, not spray and pray. And underneath it all, AI Agent Studio orchestrates the routing, the CRM updates, and the follow-up. For one client, that kind of automation saved hundreds of hours a year. This isn't reps versus AI. It's your reps, amplified. So the same team closes more without you adding a single seat. So before you post the next job opening, ask a different question. What if your current team could do the work of a bigger one? That's what an AI revenue layer does. Book a free audit at CRMExpertsOnline.com, and we'll show you where automation can scale your revenue without scaling your payroll.